looking back now, yes, we're resilient.
Oo.
Pero now that we know the truth of all this
Projects
and
na
flood control,
ninanakawan lang naman ng budget.
flood control scandal na to na talagang naging global news na. Parang, this isn't right. Hindi na siya yung, ganun
Oo nga eh. Actually, you know what? Yun nga rin yung na-feel ko na for the longest time, I've been ashamed na parang, you know, we live in a place that floods a lot. Pero now I'm like, bakit wait lang? Bakit ako yung mahihiya? Hindi ba dapat sila yung mahiya? Yung mga nagnanakaw from the budget that's supposedly fixing these issues, which is all from our pockets too. Sa taxpayers
Pero
yan
alam mo,
ninakaw.
masabi ko lang, buti na lang talaga Mayor Vico Soto.
Okay. She's gonna shoot her shot now.
No, but it really takes one person questioning eh.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, parang Emperor's New Clothes, I really like that story because it only took one kid to say na
Nakahubad siya, yo.
nakahubad siya.
Yeah.
In this case, it's like this one perfect, amazing, handsome, smart, intelligent,
You're such a
godly
simp. Okay? You're
man
such a simp.
who started the questioning, di ba? Na parang, check nyo to.
Oo nga.
I-check nyo to. Like, may mali eh. The math isn't mathing. That's it. And then someone called it out and then, di ba, sumabog na lang siya. So, nung na-bring up na ulit yung episode ni Corina Sanchez kay Sara Diskaya, when I was watching it, alam mo yung meron ka talagang parang deep anger na mafe-feel na parang, PI ka! How can you be so greedy? How can you be
actually.
collecting wealth like this? When you see people outside dealing with the flood and the horror stories that come with it, the fatalities that come with it. Tapos ikaw, bibili ka ng Rolls Royce dahil nagustuhan mo yung payong. I cannot. Parang nakikita ko dito. Ganun na rin talaga yung mindset ng Pilipinas eh. Survival eh. Yung to each his own.
Take what you can
Take what you
for
can.
yourselves.
Oo.